Welcome to Mississauga Toyota. Today we're going to be changing the rear wiper refill on a 2024 RAV4. And this applies to all the rear wipers on all the models. And I'll walk you through it step by step. So when we're removing the wiper blade, you're limited to how much room you can access. In order to gain more access, we will lift the cap. And that gives the wiper arm much more access. And then we'll remove the wiper blade by cracking it forwards. And then you'll remove it from the actual holder, the arm. From there, you can take the rubber piece out by wiggling it just outside its little indent. And then you can take it all the way out. And you can change the rubber, like so. So we'll walk you step by step on how to reinstall it. So in order to reinstall it, you'll put the splines from the old wiper refill. You'll put them in once you have the splines in place. And what we're going to do is we're not going to install it this way. We're going to skip that, put it through this side, and then we're going to come forward. And then you'll slide it through, making sure that it's into the little indent. And then we can replace it back, like so. You'll place it gently and place the cap back over. And that is how you replace the wiper refill. So now you know how to change the rear wiper refill. I do suggest that you visit our parts department. Our parts department does supply the rear wiper inserts as well as the front inserts, and we do recommend using OEM parts. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us at Mississauga Toyota. Thank you.